share to other friends and say, hey, can you please subscribe? And yeah, let's get into the video.
There's some California love, I've been riding through the city in the Cadillac, getting faded off the Remy. Had a ugly little past, nowadays sitting pretty. I know I made mistakes, I just hope you can forgive me. Oh yeah, now I know I can't right my wrongs, hey, but I like doing the Pirellis and burning the whip, speeding back home. I just wanna ride with you and take you back to the west side. We riding underneath the helicopter lights and the sirens. I know I can't come back home. I just wanna ride with you. Not the same as I was, so insane. I done been
Okay guys, so step 1 is that we are gonna do like one, sorry, I'll just like oops, like oops, and then you're gonna do oops, and then back, and then oops, and then back, and then yeah, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then you're gonna like flex on the hater, yeah, flex on the hater, flex like this, or like and then like chest roll, like chest roll, and after you've done that, you're gonna like boom, so you'll step like here, and then your other feet like this, so like 1, 2, your other feet like this, or like that, 1, and jump and forth, and jump and forth, like 2-way control, like 1, and 4, and 5, work, like work, and then after you done that, you're gonna relax. 2, like that, and then after you're done that, we're gonna use like this, or like water like this, like 2 hands, and then 1, 4, and after you're done that, we're gonna do yeah, so you done that, you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna split. You know how to split? Do it now. Split. Oh. My hand is dirty now. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please give this a big, huge, massive thumbs up. And share to one of your friends, or like many of one of your friends, like 2 friends, 3 friends, 4 friends, or all of the group, and say, hey, can you please subscribe to Laudya? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.